Hello everyone. Today we will compare Fourthwall and Printful, two popular platforms for custom merchandise creation. So Fourthwall allows creators to design, sell, and ship custom merchandise while offering additional tools for building website and engaging the fans. While Printful is a leading print-on-demand service that handles the printing, packaging, and shipping of custom products, integrating with various e-commerce platforms for seamless order fulfillment. So in this comparison, we'll dive deep into their features, pricing, performance, customer support, pros and cons, and at the end of the video, I help you choose which one is the best for you. So make sure you watch till the end because I have created a presentation that will help you easily make an informed decision to choose the correct option. And if you want to sign up for Fourthwall and Printful, you can use my affiliate links in the description below where I will earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And you might also get rewards and discounts upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So now let's go directly to the features comparison. So when we talk about the product range, so Fourthwall offers apparel, accessories, and home decoration, while Printful offers wide range of products including apparel, accessories, home decoration, and more. So same thing. So when we talk about customization options, Fourthwall offers extensive design tools and color options, while Printful offers powerful mockup generator and various customization options. When we talk about integration, Fourthwall integrates on YouTube, TikTok, Twitch, Shopify, and WooCommerce, while Printful integrates with Shopify, Amazon, Etsy, eBay, and WooCommerce. And when we talk about fulfillment centers, Fourthwall offers multiple global fulfillment centers, while Printful offers in-house production at 5 global centers. So now we're done with the features comparison. So now let's go directly to the pricing. So when we talk about subscription fees, Fourthwall offers no monthly fees and no upfront costs, but they offers 5% of transaction fees. Same thing with Printful, but they don't have any transaction fees. When we talk about the product cost, Fourthwall offers competitive pricing, while Printful offers higher product costs due to in-house production that I said earlier. And when we talk about payment processing fees, so as I said earlier, Fourthwall offers 2.9% plus $0.3 for US and 3.9% plus $0.3 for non-US customers. So when we talk about Printful, they only have standard payment processing fees. So yes, that's it for the simple pricing comparison. So now let's go directly to another section, which is the performance. So when we talk about production speed, Fourthwall is very fast and multiple fulfillment centers, while Printful also fast in in-house production. And when we talk about shipping times, so Fourthwall is very efficient and it varies by location. And the Printful shipping times is very reliable and it has fast shipping times. And lastly, for quality control, Fourthwall is very high and they have consistent quality, while Printful, same thing. So that's it for the simple comparison of performance. So now let's talk about the customer support. So when we talk about the support channels, Fourthwall offers email, live chat, and dedicated account managers. Same thing with Printful, but with help centers. So when we talk about the response time, so Fourthwall is very quick to respond, especially for premium plans, while Printful have average response time and it depends on the volume. So when we talk about help center, Fourthwall have comprehensive knowledge base, while Printful offers extensive help centers with guides and tutorials. And when we talk about community support, Fourthwall have active user community or tutorials. Same thing with Printful, but they have also have support groups. So yes, that's it for the simple customer support comparison. So now we're done with the customer support, features, pricing, performance comparison. So now let's talk about the pros and cons. And let's start by discussing the Fourthwall pros and cons. So when it comes to pros, Fourthwall offers a high degree of customization and branding control, allowing you to create a unique online store that aligns perfectly with your brand identity. It also provides full access to customer data, which is crucial for targeted marketing and building long-term customer friendships. Also, they have advanced marketing tools, including SEO and email marketing, that helps you drive traffic and increase sales, giving you more control over your store performance. And with its strong mobile optimization and SEO capabilities, your store is well positioned for visibility and usability across all devices. So that's it for the pros. When it comes to cons, so Fourthwall offers 5% transaction fees on all sales, which might add up for high volume sellers. Also, they have more complex setup compared to simpler print-on-demand service, which might be overwhelming for beginners. And lastly, the some advanced features like priority support and custom domains may require additional costs. So yes, that's it for the Fourthwall pros and cons. So now let's go to Printful pros and cons. So when it comes to pros, Printful integrates seamlessly with major e-commerce platforms, making it easy to add a print-on-demand service to your existing online store. Also, they have extensive product catalog, allows you to offer a wide variety of items, from apparel to home decoration, catering to diverse customer preferences. They also have no platform fees, means that you can only pay when you sell a product, making it a cost-effective options for businesses of all sizes. And lastly, they have a global network of print facilities, ensures faster shipping times and lower shipping costs for international customers. So that's it for the pros. And when we talk about the cons, printful customization are somewhat limited by the constraint of the integrated platform, offering a less flexibility than fully customizable platforms like Fourthwall. They have a higher product cost due to the print-on-demand nature of the service, which could reduce profit margins, particularly for lower priced items. They also have customer data access that is limited to what the integrated platform provides, which might not be sufficient for advanced marketing strategies. And lastly, the performance and SEO capabilities largely depend on the e-commerce platform you integrate with, which could limit your control over these aspects. So that's it for the pros and cons. So now we're done with this. Now let's go directly to which platform is the best for you. And let's start by discussing who should choose Fourthwall. So Fourthwall is referable or ideal for creators like YouTubers, Twitch streamers, TikTokers, podcasters, musicians, and artists. Also best for those looking for narrow upfront costs and extensive customization options, and also suitable for those who want viable resources to grow their business, and someone who is aiming for higher conversion rates and strong SEO performance to ensure their store is highly visible and performs well across all devices. So if you have all of these qualities right here, Fourthwall is the choice for you. So now we're done. So let's go directly to who should choose Printful. So Printful is referable or great for businesses that prioritize a wide range of products and high quality control. And also suitable for those who need reliable customer service and fast shipping times. Also best for those who want seamless integration with various e-commerce platforms. And lastly, it's referable for someone who's focused on reaching a global audience with faster shipping times and lower costs thanks to Printful extensive network of international facility. So if you have all of this quality right here, Printful is the choice for you. So that's it. So in conclusion, both platforms offers unique advantages depending on your needs. Fourthwall is perfect for creators seeking extensive customization options and valuable resources without upfront costs. On the other hand, Printful is ideal for those who need a wide range of product, reliable customer service, and fast shipping times. So choose the platform that best aligns with your business goals and the specific tasks you need to accomplish. If this comparison helped you, please like and comment and subscribe for more insightful reviews and comparisons. And also share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. So with that being said, the comparison is over and I hope this comparison helps you choose the correct option. Also, that's it for today's video. See you in the next one.